Good morning. Hazel and I are going to go for a hike this morning. It's Wednesday, June 19th. I'm actually off of work for Juneteenth. So Hazel and I are going to take off to the mountains, go and find us a waterfall, and maybe even play in the water for a little bit. So we're very excited about it. It's a pretty short hike, but we're trying to decide if we want to go to Hemlock Falls or if we want to go to Panther Falls and Angel Falls, because Panther Falls is closer. It's like 30 minutes from us. So I'm going to take my GoPro today. This is the first time getting the GoPro out in like a long time. So I dusted it off and it is charging right now, and we're going to take it with us. And hopefully it'll be a good little day. So it is right at 69 degrees and cloudy right now, and it says it'll be cloudy pretty much the rest of the day. But it is going to get up to 84 later. So it's definitely going to be hot and muggy, so hence why we're going to a waterfall. It's just right at 9 o'clock now. Hazel's going crazy. She's so ready to get on the road. So with that said, we'll see you out there. Are you going on the adventure? Go ahead. Throw it. Good girl. You got your sticking off. Good girl. Ready, Hazel? Let's do it. Well, that was a gorgeous drive. I ended up coming through like a winding back road and a dirt road here and there, and then got back to like a gorgeous lake community. Lake Raven is literally one of the prettiest places ever. And all the houses out here just look like something out of a magazine, like Southern Living magazine or something. They are so pretty. So anyway, I just pulled up to the trailhead. It's actually just like a little pull off on the side of the road. So, but there is a sign. And so I'm about to get Hazel out, and we are going to go see if we can walk this thing. Let's do it. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, little lady. Are you ready to go? You ready to go? Yes. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Oh, yeah. All right. Good girl. All right. Hey, this way. All right. I wish I would have just got that on camera. This truck just drove by as I was getting ready to take a video right here as the entrance to the trail, and slowed down and said, "Hey, sweetie," and kept going. Anyway. All right, here we are. Angel Falls Trail. Hey, Hazel, you ready to go? Angel Falls National Forest. Here we go. What do you think, girl? What do you think? We are completely in mountain laurel. It's just a wall of mountain laurel. This is my favorite environment to be in, but it also is bear environment, so black bears love mountain laurel too, so you always gotta be on the lookout. But I did just see the other two people that were back here, so now that means we are it was two ladies that were heading out, so now that means that we are here by ourselves. So gonna be on the lookout. It's a little stream. Yeah, check it out. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, looks a little berry. A little bit berry. Hey, 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 hey. Don't pull. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, ma'am. I don't know if it's picking up the color. Hey, girl, don't pull as well. But this is like a little bit of a pine forest with some mountain laurel thrown in too. It's like bright, bright green and bright orange pine straw everywhere. And there's just a gorgeous contrast. It's so pretty. Not sure exactly what kind that is. Looks like a little puffball. It's pretty. Wanna go down? No. There you go. Not any signs, but I'm assuming this is the trail. What do you think? Come on. Hey, not so fast. That's so cute. I know. Yeah, so I definitely thought we were alone out here just because we passed the car. The one group of people that were parked at the trailhead. Turns out the trail actually walks through, literally pretty much straight through a campground. Ended up seeing these people having their nice morning and walked through while they were brushing their teeth outside. That was right before we made it to the edge of that, where that waterfall was where the campground kind of ended. So now we really are a little bit more secluded. I can pretty much see all the way around us now that, you know, it's mountains and trees. So, yeah. So Hazel just saw a bird. Okay. Good girl. She didn't go crazy. It's good. She's thinking about it though. Okay. All right. All right, girl. Stay on the trail. Stay on the trail. This trail, not that trail. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. Yeah, it's definitely mountainous and berry. One of the things that I'm training Hazel to do right now, hey, right here. Every time I stop, she is right here at my feet, which I love. She does pretty good at that. I don't even have to tell her to do anything, she just stops. So because of that, I'm gonna give her a treat. Good girl. Good girl. You're the best girl. It's well. Fanny pack coming in clutch. Love it. A lot of muscadine, rhododendron, mountain laurel, a few mushrooms. So it's definitely a nice area. Nice area. And it follows the creek pretty much the whole way back here. Hey, let's stop right here. Come on. She saw something. I thought I saw something. I don't know what it was. Could have been a bird. Pretty large bird if it was. doing, girl? What are you doing? Huh? You see a squirrel? Do you see a squirrel? Thinks she sees a squirrel. Good girl. Let's go. Hey, don't pull. All right, cutie. All right, cutie girl. Come on. Hey, this way. This way. Right here. Yeah, let's get some water. Another one. Eastern hemlock. That's what I've been seeing. Rhododendron, beech tree, mountain laurel, and sycamore. Nice. Wow. This is gorgeous. Hey. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that big old waterfall. We got it all to ourselves. We got it all to ourselves, Hazel. Alright, come check it out. You are? Hey, girl. This is gorgeous. Meanwhile, little Miss Chris having the time of her life over here. Yes, I know. Hey, what do you think? What do you think, girl?
All right, we just got to play for a little while. Hazel definitely got her water fix in, and she's a happy camper. Aren't you a happy camper? Yeah, you are so cute. I love you so much. She's happy. She's happy. Well, it's just about a mile to get out here, so I think we're gonna go ahead and head back. It didn't take super long. It was a nice hike. So anyway, GoPro's dying. May film whenever I get back to the car, but if I don't, thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the hike with us. I know we certainly did. Isn't that right, girl? Yeah. So anyway, tune in next time for a hike with Hazel. You're so cute. All right. Thanks for joining us. Oh, yes. If you know anything about me, you know that I am a feather fanatic. This is my first, I'm pretty sure this is my first feather find of the year. It's beautiful. It's like a totally different pattern than just a standard feather. So it's either a baby feather or, you know, I don't really know. But there's a lot of birds out here for sure. But I'm gonna keep this. How awesome. Try to figure out what it is. All right, we just made it back to the car. I've got a total workout of 2.29 miles. Oh man, that was a beautiful workout. That was a beautiful hike. I really enjoyed that. I would definitely do it again. It's such a beautiful area. I ended up seeing three or four different groups of people, and they were all super friendly, and they all live around here, so they were really nice. That definitely made up for the encounter that I had whenever I first got here with the man in the truck. But anyway, yeah, it was a great hike. So now we're gonna go grab some food for lunch, and my GoPro did end up dying, so I'm gonna have to find that other battery for that. Anyway, it was a beautiful hike. I definitely will do it again. It was so pretty back there. It was pretty secluded once you get past the campsite, and the waterfall was gorgeous. Didn't go all the way to Angel Falls today because I've got some other things to do this afternoon, but it was a gorgeous hike. We had so much fun, took some adorable pictures. Hazel had a blast. It was just right at 2.29 miles there and back, and I never stopped my workout from there, so just over 2 miles, and it was a fantastic walk, fantastic hike. So that was a good one for today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, I really appreciate it. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And then I'm also going to be posting a lot of other things just around the outdoor lifestyle. Hiking with Hazel is a big part of that, but just all the other outdoor stuff that we're about to get into. It's summer right now, so we're doing a lot of just outdoor leisure activity, but come this fall, we're going to be doing a lot of hunting, fishing, different things like that, different types of hunting in different places, and scouting, and all kinds of different things. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you if you have watched this far, and I will see you in the next video.